Okay guys, good morning. I have this one is the ATS 2013 Cadillac. So we're gonna pull the back glass on this one. So I'm gonna use the saw technique. Remember this one, we're gonna watch out for the connections. We got plugs here, corner over there, and the connections for the defrosters. That's the only we're gonna watch out. Now this one has a molding on the bottom, so we need to make sure we don't cut them off. Okay, like this one. So let me show you how we're gonna play with this guy today. All right, so before continuing, we're gonna move this guy over here. Now, remember, we're gonna watch out the paint on this side because this part is not gonna be fixed. Careful here. So what we can do is move this guy. Okay. Like that. Watch out the molding, because we're gonna go past this part. Now it's time to make the turn. Remember, careful with the connections. Inside here. Alright. Now I'm gonna keep this guy down here. Careful with the lights. I'm doing this one slowly. You can see all the process, right? But you can go more faster than this. Okay, hold in here. Okay, right there. I'm gonna go check the connections. You don't want to catch any of these guys right here. Okay. There you go. I'm gonna watch out this guy. There you go. We're free. Now we're ready to go down there. I'm gonna hear the noise for the cat. Is it? Okay, down all the way. Make sure it's not catching. There you go. We're free. And the last cut. And we finish. Okay, and we're done. Okay guys, so a little piece of urethane here. There you go. And that's all. Okay guys, so we don't make any damage, so all is free, clean. And we finished. You see, it's perfectly clean, so the molding safe on one piece, and we don't have any scratches in the paint, no in the area. This one will replace it, but this is nice. Interior is safe. And that's all. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching, and see ya the next time. Let's go.